This 2026 Grand Design Transcend 265 BHT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, TV antenna, stovetop burner, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 265 BHT is 6,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.